Hey, guess what? Mr. Rich here, little auto tips. Okay, I have 2022 Rogue, Nissan Rogue. Okay, let me show you how we're gonna do the in-cabin filter. Here's the in-cabin filter. This is a new one. And let's dive in and see what we can find in this cabin here. Okay, so now we're gonna have to pull the glove box down. Here's the glove box. Let's see if you can see that. Pull it down. Can you see in there? All right. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna do this now. Okay, let's see. I guess I'm going to hold the camera then. All right. That white thing inside of there, that's the this here is the cabin filter cover. The cover for the box. Pop this out. There you go, like that. Okay. Put your finger in here. Pop this out. We get in there. Pop this out. That's what it looked like. Okay. That's the box in there. Light can go in there. Alright, so that's what it looked like in there. Alright, so now we're gonna put the new one in. This is a new one. Don't forget, this is the arrow. It goes downwards when you put it in the box. So we're gonna put it in. Paste that in. See the arrow? Arrow here is down, okay? Right here, down. So make sure you put that down. Then you put the cover back in. In fact, this one is a little simple. You snap this in. And like that. Okay, take the light out of there. And that's it. Okay, so we all good? Alright, stay tuned for the next, coming up next. Alright, please hit that subscribe button and let's do it again, okay? And please share, like it. Give me some comments, man. Come on. You guys are smart enough. Let me know what you want to know. Okay, take it easy.